Hello everyone. This is a video presentation from a student of Symbiosis University of Applied Sciences from the subject Computer Organization and Architecture on the topic Classification of Computer on the Basis of Size. I am Oji Sharma and let's get started. Now let's see how computers are classified. Basically, computer is classified on the basis of size into 5 types. First is supercomputer, the next is mainframe computer, the other one is mini computer, then workstation, and at the last, microcomputers. Now let's discuss them briefly one by one. The first one is supercomputer. In supercomputer, the computers are biggest and fastest. They are designed to process huge amount of data. They can process trillions of instructions in a second, and there are thousands of interconnected processors which helps them to increase their processing speed. Now let's see the applications of supercomputer. The supercomputer has the ability to decrypt your password to enhance the protection for security reasons. It is used for virtual testing of nuclear weapons and critical medical tests. It can study and understand climate patterns and forecast weather conditions. It helps in designing the flight simulator for pilots at the beginning level for their training. It has played a virtual role in managing the online currency world, such as stock market and Bitcoin. It helps in scientific research areas by accurately analyzing data obtained from exploring the solar system, satellites, and movement of Earth. The first supercomputer, Cray 1, was developed by Roger Cray in 1976. Nowadays, the major companies which manufacture supercomputers are Fujitsu, IBM, Cray, and many more. Now let's see the mainframe computers. In mainframe computers, the computers are designed to support hundreds and thousands of users simultaneously. They can support multi-programs at the same time, that is, they can execute different processes simultaneously. They can process huge amount of data, means millions of transactions in a second. They has a very long life. It can run smoothly for up to 50 years after proper installation. They has the ability to distribute its workload among other processors and input-output terminals. Now let's see the applications of mainframe computer. The application of mainframe computer are in healthcare sector. It enabled hospitals to maintain records of their millions of patients in order to contact them for treatment or related to their appointment or medicine update or disease updates. In the field of defense, it allows the defense department to share a large amount of sensitive information with other branches of defenses. In field of education, it helps big universities to store, manage and retrieve data related to their courses, admissions, students, teachers, employees, and affiliated schools and colleges. In the retail sector, the retail companies that has a huge amount of customer base and branches use mainframe computers to handle and execute information related to their inventory management, customer management, and huge transaction in a short duration. The first mainframe computer, Harvard Mark I, was developed by Howard Aiken in 1930, and nowadays the major companies that produces mainframe computers are IBM, Unisys, Hitachi, and many more. Now let's see the mini computers. Mini computers are mid-sized multi-processing computers. They consist of 2 or more processors, which can support 4 to 200 users at a time. They are light in weight, so they can easily carry and fit anywhere. There doesn't require a controlled operational environment. Now let's see the applications of mini computer. The applications of minicomputer are: it was used for process controls in manufacturing, mainly performs two primary functions that are collecting data and feedback. If any abnormality occurs in the process, it is detected by the minicomputer and necessary adjustments are made accordingly. It is also an excellent device for small organizations to collect, store, and share data. Local hospitals and hotels can use it to maintain the record of their patients and customers respectively. The communication portal also uses mini-computers, as it can also play the role of communication device in large systems by sharing as a portal between a human operator and a central processor or a computer. The first mini-computer was PDP-1, which was made by Kjell Olsen in 1960. Nowadays, the major companies that produce or manufacture mini-computers are Intel, ASRock, and HP. Now let's see the workstation computer. The workstation computer is a single-user computer that is designed for technical or scientific application. It has a faster microprocessor, a large amount of RAM, and a high-speed graphic adapter. It is generally perform a specific job with great expertise. They are of different types such as graphic, music, and engineer design workstation. The applications of workstation are: the workstation computers are commonly used in computer-aided design, 3D graphics and animations, video and audio production, weather modeling, and other stimulators and scientific work. The first workstation is considered as IBM 1620 in 1960. Nowadays, the company that produces workstations are Colfax, Polyval, Velocity Micro, and many more. Now let's see the microcomputers. The microcomputers are general purpose computers that is designed for individual use. They are smallest in size among all types of computers. They are less expensive, easy to use, and capable of multitasking. It does not require user to have special skills or training to use microcomputers. The applications of microcomputers are: they are used in homes as a general purpose where you can play games, watch movies, listen music, and do many more other things. They are also used in workstations with some special softwares. They are also used in business for presenting presentations, sending emails to clients, and do many more things. They are also used in education where some small schools and colleges teach the basics to their students through their microcomputers. Some highly developed microcomputers are used in military-based systems. The first non-kit microcomputer was Micrel, which was developed by Forrest Journal in 1973. Later on, Moscow developed MCM/70, which was based on Intel 8008 microprocessor. Nowadays, the company that produce major amount of microcomputers are Apple, Dell, HP, and many more. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will enhance your knowledge. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel,